Look at the camera. 1, 2, 3. Look at the camera, Evan.
That's
Evan,
silly.
look at the camera. This is the camera, Evan, right here, okay?
Evan, look at here.
Ice cream if you look this way. 1, 2, and 3. Ice cream. Ice cream. Welcome everybody. My name is Roberto Valenzuela and this is
Yes.
That's right. And we are doing an unboxing of the beautiful and amazing
Video.
Yeah. We're doing an awesome unboxing and explanation of the incredible Profoto B10X Plus lights, the Duo Kit. And then we're going to explain why I just got these and what's the difference between that and this B10 and the A2 and all the modifiers. And why is this book picture perfect flash in front of the box for shameless advertising. But I wrote this entire book based on portable strobes such as these or these little ones, or the B10, or any hot shoe flash. So let's get started with this amazing unboxing. Are you excited?
Yeah.
What do you love?
Photo lights.
You like Profoto lights?
Yeah.
High five. Ow, you're so strong. Should we open it?
Yeah.
All right, let's do this. Here we go, guys. We're gonna open this up. This is what you're gonna receive if you ever order the Duo Kit. And we are going to show you what it's all about and how excited I am to create incredible work with these things. So this goes out, and here we have, see here, a couple of little items. All right, here we go, guys. Check this out.
And that's all the most important. Tissue box.
A tissue box is very important. We all need tissue because we're gonna cry of how beautiful this is. Okay, everybody cries when they receive this. So it's natural that you would have a tissue box, right, Lucas?
Yeah.
Okay, it's very natural. All right, so here is the Profoto B10X Plus Duo Kit lights,
Two kids.
and yep, this entire book is dedicated to how to kick some serious butt with these things.
This entire book is from the Amazing Pie, California, made out of poop.
This book is not made out of poop. This book is made out of paper, baby. All right, so he's on that poop stage right now. So just, right, Lucas?
Yeah.
Okay, come over here, baby. Okay, you're gonna stay right there. You're gonna get a little closer so people can see you. You want to say hi to everyone?
Hi.
Okay. All right. Are you excited about your Profoto lights?
Yeah.
Okay, so here it is, guys. You're gonna get basically this box opening, and then you have the beautiful backpack, which is an awesome backpack, by the way. And one thing that I do is actually just take the whole backpack right to the airport, and I just carry it. And it's also easy to carry for assistance because it has the shoulder stuff like this, and it's actually really awesome. But let's get to the goodies. Are you ready for the goodies?
Yeah.
Are you so excited it hurts?
No.
What? Okay.
Keep going.
Just joking, you are excited?
Yeah.
All right, guys. So here is the beginning. You open the front pocket and you get all this cool space for your laptop, extra batteries, modifiers, little things you can put in. And then when you get to the back, that's where the beautiful lights show up. So, are you gonna show them how strong you are?
Yeah. Up, 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 up.
Oh my goodness, they are so
Up,
impressed.
up.
Everyone is so impressed right now. On the comments, please write how impressed you are with his muscles. Show them your muscles. Yeah, that's no joke, everyone. Oh, did you see that speed? Okay. All right. So guys, here is let me unbuckle this sucker right here. How cool is this Profoto right on the thing like that? And here it is. So I'm gonna open this guy. You get this open. So it's kind of cool to just take a picture of it. Just make sure that everything stays the same way. But as you can see, this is the setup right here. You get the two lights and the chargers and the cables and the most beautiful backpack you have ever received when you buy things like lights. So these lights are basically, you can get an attachment that goes here, and this is actually a cylinder, which is easy to put on your camera bag. And if you take this attachment off, which is off right now, it's easy to fit. It just looks like a 7200. And this, if you look at the difference between these three lights, you have this big one here. So you have this one, you have this one, which is the B10, This is the B10X Plus. And one of my favorite lights ever made, the A2. Do you love the A2?
Yeah, I love the A2 minus. The A2 minus.
A2 minus. Okay, guys, that's a new name. A2 minus. So this is the A2. This one is great because it's magnetic. So you can grab it and attach magnetic modifiers. So for me, this is the best light for quick indoor stuff. And then this one is great for outdoor, B10 or B10X. Is great for outdoor. You can actually get light pretty far away with 250 watts. And this one is 100 watts of light, which is plenty for even outside if you're close enough. And then this guy here, this is 500 watts. Can you say 500 watts?
500.
500 watts of power, and it has obviously more zooms right there. And these zooms allow you to create different shaping of the light with when you put the hard modifiers on.
10,100 and pi and pi minus 10 minus Lugaka.
Okay, guys, there you go. You heard it from the horse's mouth. And then you get the other one right here. And I am super pumped because these lights connect with the Profoto Connect Pro incredibly well. So you can actually just say, I go to 5.2 here, and it will show 5.2 here, no matter where it is. So the Connect Pro with this, as soon as you update all the firmware, this is like a match made in heaven and very useful. So super pumped about these guys. And then right here is just the cables, and here is the little stand adapters thing. So here's your little stand adapter, which is built really well, and this is a really nice one, very sturdy. And obviously you take this off in order to put your lights on your bag so they fit a lot easier. Unless you have a big bag, then you don't have to take it off.
And this thing is like a penny.
That's like a penny? Yeah, this is definitely not a penny. Everyone watching is knowing this is not a penny, guys. But that's what it looks like with the attachment on. And then you can just quickly rotate it when you're ready to pack it up and put it in your bag. And you just take this guy off like that. And you're good to go, and you put it back in your bag. So, really excited because I just love how flexible the whole system is. I have the whole system. I have an A2, a B10, a B10X Plus. I have 100 watts, 250 watts, 500 watts. And of course, I also have a big studio pack, which is 2,400 watts, but that's for really serious light shaping in the studio. This is gonna be my stuff that I'm gonna be taking to all my workshops. This is what I recommend to people. If you buy one, you buy one of these, because this is superior electronics, Profoto. You can count on it when it matters, which is in every photo shoot. You don't have to worry that the electronics are gonna burn because they're cheaply made. This is like top of the line electronics, top of the line stuff. And when you're doing jobs that are important, you do not want to mess around and end up having a light that you need frying in front of you because it's 78 degrees. You know what I mean? So when you want consistency and reliability, Gatorade is very important, guys. We need a Gatorade too, right? Did you see the solar eclipse today?
Yeah.
Did you tell them about the solar eclipse?
I saw the sun again, the real fucking sun.
Okay, guys, you hear it there. So solar eclipse. Thank you for joining us for this quick little video. If you wonder why you would buy a B10X Plus if you already have a B10X, it's because this is 500 watts, and sometimes you just need that light shaping capability. More power means more options. Also, as you can see, in terms of shaping the light, this only has 4 notches.
Power makes the weakest.
Oh, that's true. This is 1, 2, 3, 4 on the B10, and on the B10X Plus, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 ability to zoom in the light and be able to change the way the modifiers look and feel for your subject. So obviously, this is a lot more adaptable, a lot more. You can do a lot more with it, and we don't need the plants. And that's it, guys. It's a lot of really cool stuff. Reliable lights. I've had these lights for a long time. They're still strong. They're still going. And this is why I love Profoto, because it's just reliable. And once you buy one, they last forever. So thank you guys for watching. And say bye to everyone. Say bye.
Bye.
Say see you next time.
See you next time.
Say subscribe to this channel.
Subscribe to this channel.
So you see more of my face.
You see more of my face.
And more of Daddy.
And more of Daddy's face.
And then show them how strong you punch. Ready, go.